Well, it took 2 days and what, 850 miles driving through rain and wind, but I finally found something worth stopping for. Got out of the wind, there's some blue sky peeking through. I think we're near, we might even be in part of Capitol Reef National Park in Utah. It's pretty neat out here. I don't know if dogs are allowed, but we found a spot where there wasn't any people, so we're gonna explore a little bit. Look at this. Hey, Ahsoka, this way. That's some real Bear Grylls type stuff right here. I'm out in the wilderness where one wrong move can lead to death, and one right move can lead to the highway, which is just right over there. Which way? This way? That way? When in doubt, always follow the dog. I don't know, maybe not. Let's try the other way. Pretty sketchy both ways, isn't it? Alright, better turn this off before I fall in a freaking crevice. I have to chop my arm off to get out. Okay, we've got a bit of a side quest here. So I was flying my drone and, well, I lost it. I could hear it still, but it wasn't responding to my, oh, we're not going that way, hey, to my remote. So we're gonna go see if we can find it. Good news is it's kind of cheap. I don't know, I got it off Amazon or something, but it'd still be nice to have. I don't know what way I don't think we can go that way. Maybe. Can you go that way? I might be able to. Okay. Probably gonna get stuck in this damn canyon. Okay, this way. So, we are on the quest to find the lost drone. Are you gonna make it down here? You can go down that, can't you? Oh, somebody else has been down here. wasn't too far away. Oh, that's the thing with those cheap drones that you record with your phone. They don't have much range to them. I just got like on the back side of this wall here and lost connection. And then it I don't know, took off. It had a mind of its own. It was like, I think it was right around this bend. Oh. But on a positive note, we get to hike around this cool canyon. I was looking for, wait, I hear it. It's still alive. Where are you, Droney? It's gonna be up there. I don't think I'm getting this guy back. I can definitely hear it, but it's got to have like a few minutes of battery life in it. So, what's over here? Wait, getting closer. Where the hell is it? Or is it up there? I can't tell where it's coming from. I think it's up here. Maybe. Let's see. I hear it. Where are you, drone? Where is it? When I'm over there, it sounds like it's coming from over here. When I'm over here, it sounds like it's coming from over there. It's not so flying, is it? If I don't find it before it shuts off, there's no way I'm ever gonna find it. That's weird. Or is it up on that cliff? I think it is up there, maybe. I don't know. This might be a failed quest. I think it's up there. That's what it sounds like. There's no way I'm getting that back. Careful, Ahsoka. Hey. Oh. I mean, there's got to be a few minutes of battery life left in it. Oh, rolling ankle. I'm pretty sure it's up on top of there somewhere. Yeah. Well, that's a shame. Yeah, it's up there. I ain't climbing that. Free solo, let's do it. Ahsoka's gonna go for it. Will you jump up there and get my drone for me? Come on. You've just been sitting in the car all day. I've been driving. Okay, well, we got it narrowed down. It's on top of that cliff. But so the sound must be like echoing off the wall there. Yeah. Well, I can't say we didn't try. Another thing, I saw a weird skeleton. What is this? I mean, I hear it. I think I might even see it. I don't know. It's up there. But what's this? It's a freaking bird. It's got feathers. What is that, Ahsoka? Hmm? What do you think that was? Okay. Well, the drone is gone. So long, drone. We had a good run, you and I. It's probably for the better. I wasn't very good at flying that thing anyway. Now, how do we get out of here? That's the question. Oh, you're carrying that with you? How do we even get in here? I think that's the way. Oh, there you go, Ahsoka. Parkour. I don't think you can go that way. This might be a good spot to set up camp there. Quest update. I was able to climb on top of the canyon and I can see it. It's right there. And I think I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I also think I can maybe get to it. So this will be one for the tripod, because I shouldn't be holding a GoPro in my hand while I do this. Either way, it'll make for good footage. I'm pretty sure I can get to that though. We did it! We found the drone. We rescued it. Now, if I can climb out of here without killing myself. One step at a time. Wow, I didn't think I was going to find this little guy. Epic quest completed. All right, well. Ahsoka, hey. Are you stuck? Where you at? Oh, there you are. You went a different way. Got to the area where I was wanting to camp, but it's still really windy. There's like, I don't know, 30-40 mile-an-hour winds, so I'm not setting up a camp or a tent and camping in that shit. So I think this calls for a little car camping. I got the hatchback. I'm going to set up a little bed. Let's see what we got here. Soon this will be my my inn for the night. So, what do you think, Ahsoka? Are you gonna car camp with me? Okay. See you in a bit. Right, the adventure continues. I'm now in Colorado, east of Durango, so I think southern part of Colorado. Ended up sleeping in my car last night in Utah. It was super windy and it started pouring down rain and thunderstorm rolled through, so slept in the car, got up at the actually before the butt crack of dawn, and hit the road. And I don't know, I think I got at least today and tomorrow left to drive in, but right now I'm just enjoying Colorado. It's cold, it's supposed to snow. So far the weather for this road trip has not been great. It's been windy and cloudy and cold and rainy and snowy, but we're having a good time. What do you think, Ahsoka? What are you doing? Trying to make it to Nebraska by the end of the day. That's my goal.